because every poo has its own particular perfume, and some may even stink up the room. Wherever you pop, make sure to leave your royal mark. Always leave the throne with an odor you're sure to own. After you've dropped the deck, look down at your golden nugget and exclaim, what the heck? Leave an all-natural glow in tow of Eau de Throne instead of a stinky foam. Take it from me, your queen of the thrones, crown your mark as one that you are not afraid to own. And it's easy, all will delight. Simply poo and perfume. Just let the scent fill the room. Buy Eau de Throne now and find out what your poo smell says about you. Click the link and I'll spill all the beans.